to make tonight even more special and memorable, here to take over the stage and kick off the holiday season with a bang, one of the country's rising P-pop groups and Acer's brand ambassadors. Please make some noise for the fierce, edgy, and the female alphas of P-pop, Althea, Jazz, and AJ. Ladies and gentlemen, G22!
Ready, aim, shoot!
We are G22. I'm Jazz.
I'm Althea.
What's up, I'm AJ?
Yeah. Let's go.
You ain't ready for us?
Don't you complain like I got your case when you got one foot out the door. I'm not entertained by all of your games. You're just a pawn on my board.
You acting tough when you high on me, go knock, knock on my door. Hit and you low. You wanna leave, can't buy. You get the key, you'll be back, no time.
Di na kaharap ng iba. Kanang kung mapapahama ka. Makakaloko pa ng iba. Chewing back the sweet of I know you're gonna go my number. Keep on coming back again, he love me like a boomerang. Wouldn't act like you don't want it. Hey, I say we're done, know that you'll be back again. Even when I try to throw it, you'll be back, cause you love me like a boomerang. Like a boomerang.
Look back, inside, boomerang.
Keep my boomerang. Keep on coming back again, he love me like a boomerang.
Nuh-uh, don't you hate? This is how it's played. This what trophies are for. It's like hiding by boys. This is not a competition, but a revolution. Are you clear with your vision? You need the doctor's prescription.
You acting tough when you high on ego. Now knock on my door when your head on low. You wanna leave, can't buy. You keep the key, you'll be back, no what? Keep on coming back again, he love me like a boomerang. But don't act like you don't want it. Hey, I say we're done, know that you'll be back again. Even when I try to throw it, you'll be back, love me like a boomerang. Like a boomerang.
Look back, outside, boomerang.
Keep my boomerang. Keep on coming back again, he love me like a boomerang. Bounce back, 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 bounce back. Bounce back, back, baby, bounce back. Keep on coming back again, he love me like a boomerang. Won't act like you don't want it. Hey, I say we're done, but I know that you'll be back again. Even when I try to throw it, boomerang.
Like a boomerang. Look back, inside, boomerang.
Right back, you're my boomerang.
Keep on coming back again, you love me like a boomerang. Ready, aim, shoot.
We are G22. si Jazz! Hello guys! I am Althea po.
What's up guys? I'm AJ!
Hello everyone! Bago sa lahat! Maligayang Pasko! Merry Christmas!
Maligayang.
Thank you. Sobrang masaya po kami today. Sobrang special. And natutuwa kami. Ay, daming adjectives. Kasi, syempre, nandito yung Acer fam, nandito yung 18s, nandito yung Bullets, nandito yung MOA! Thank you everyone so much!
Ayan, tama yun. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta and celebrating December 1 with us. Grabe, December, sobrang bilis ng panahon. At syempre, ngayong Pasko, hindi mawawala syempre yung mga kasama natin sa buhay. Diba, Althea?
Yes. Itong susunod na kanta namin, nirelease namin to nung pinakamahirap na time ng G22.
That's right.
And also, gusto lang namin na tandaan nyo na every time na tinutugtog namin tong kanta na to, kayo yung isa sa naging inspirasyon, kayo yung naging isa sa laban, at gusto rin namin na matandaan nyo yung mga magiging musika nyo or musika nyo sa buhay. This song is Musika.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara, timig ng kanta.
Humugas mo ng tinig ay hindi mawawala, hiwaga mong dala.
Kayo aming musika.
Meron po kayong light sticks, flashlights, please do raise them for us.
musika.
Wow! Grabe, syempre ngayong Pasko, kasama natin ng mga musika natin, yung nandun para sa atin through thick and thin. And isa si Acer sa nagbigay sa amin ng madaming opportunities this year. Kaya isa sila sa aming mga musika. Kaya maraming ulit. Salamat, Acer, for being there for us, for being there for G22.
Hindi lang maligayang ang Pasko namin, pati yung buong year namin and the time we spent with the whole Acer fam. So again, maraming salamat. Yay!
Yes, thank you so much po. Ulit sa inyong lahat. If you're curious about us po, kami nga po uli ang G22 at maaari niyo po kaming makita sa lahat ng social media accounts namin at G22 official po yan.
Yes, and syempre, sa susunod naming kanta. Woo! Grabe itong susunod na kanta namin na to. Sobrang, noona namin siya nalaman from Acer, kinilig kami to the bones.
Bakit tayo kinilig?
Kasi ang nagsulat nito ay, oh my gosh, sino pa ba? Ang pinakamagaling, di ba? Si Kuya Pablo, Rad Kids. Grabe itong kanta na to. Talagang limitless.
Sobrang walang limitado.
Limitado?
Hindi limitado.
Limitado kasi limitless.
So, ito na. Yung mahirap. Charis. We offer this song to lahat nandito. Kayo ay limitless. Let's go, everyone!
Let's go! If you guys know the song, sing with it.
Sing with us.
Let's go.
Limitless.
We mold our own destiny. Take flight so we out of sight then way. Release all this energy. This energy.
Tell me what's impossible, that will make it all possible. We're in position like this, situation, no missions, inevitable. Breaking new ground with a new sound, yeah, it works out, but is that all? Just so much shit, what if I fuse now? You be confused how?
First by the code, now I'm in God mode. AI energy will light the darkest road. And if I drive, I know I will be fine. There's no doubt in my mind, combined with intelligence divine.
We mold our own destiny. Take flight till we out of sight then way. Release all this energy. This energy. I know there's more inside of me. This heart and mind and technology will break the chains of frailty. Hey. I am limitless. Hey. No limit to what I can do. Coming through, calibrated, every blow, innovative, unimpeded. Circuits in line with my soul, soar past the limits of our core. More.
I am limitless. I don't even stress. Got a strong heart, this sense. I start peace in my chest. Impressed.
Cause I'm mindful, got my mind full. Read it, fine, all set up the kitchen, walking like Michael. Ow!
AI, I'm ready. AI already. Cook my spaghetti. Time for secret recipe. Enhance everything with technology. Be in harmony. Now poof. Skies are open. Stars of a billion. Get steady. Ready and shoot.
We know our own destiny. Take flight till we out of sight then way. Release all this energy. This energy.
I know there's more inside of me. This heart of mine and technology will break the chains of frailty.
Hey, I am limitless.
Hey, let's go.
No limit to what I can do. Coming through, calibrated, every move, innovative, unimpeded. Circuits in line with my soul, soar past the limits of our core. More.
I am limitless.
I am no lesser being. I know me from the core, but out there's so much more. So open up the door. There's no containing this wisdom of revelation. will surpass our own dimensions. I am limitless.
Let's go.
Once again, thank you, Acer.
And again, let's go.
Thank you, Bulletin. Thank you so much.
See you again later. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for G22! Once again, let's call back on stage the beautiful ladies of G22! Hello! Ayan. Wow. Pakulo po tayo, ladies and gentlemen. Kanina pa namimigay ng exchange gift si Ninang Acer. So naisip namin, bakit hindi kaya mag-exchange gift ang SB19 at ang G22? Ano tingin nyo? Okay, so ayan, hawak na nila ang kanilang mga gifts. So gusto natin syempre ng explanation kung bakit ito yung mga gifts na napili nila. But first, we will draw names from our mahiwagang fishbowl. Where is our fishbowl with the names? Ayan. Okay, so I think mag-draw na po tayo ng names. Ayan, let's draw. Si Ken, dalawa yung nabunot. Okay? They are drawing each other's names. Malalaman na po natin in ilang seconds lang kung sino po ang kanilang nabunot. Okay. And last, Josh. Okay, so I'll start dito sa kabila. Let's start kay Ken. Hi, Ken! Mag-hi ka naman!
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing great.
Okay, Ken. First of all, explain mo muna kung bakit ito yung napili mong gift.
Yung laman po, no? Yung laman.
Yes.
Siyempre, ako kasi mahilig po ako sa music, so I've decided na to give this to someone na mahilig din sa music, and you know, like, music is an escape para sa aming mga music artists, and talagang nagbibigay ng saya sa amin, so I've decided na magbigay ng itong gift para sa kanya, so...
Okay, I think we are ready to find out kung kanino mo ibibigay. Sino ba ang nabunot mo, Ken?
Okay po, kay Stel po, kay Stel.
Ano masasabi mo, Stel? Ano masasabi mo kay Ken? Gusto mo buksan?
Buksan! Buksan na rin.
Sige, buksan natin.
Buksan mo. Maganda yan, maganda yan.
Ayos ba to?
Maganda yan, maganda
Open
yan.
agad. Good item na yan.
At ito ay... Oh, wow! Earphones! Ang ganda!
Yes, sir. High quality na.
Okay! Next, AJ, ikaw naman. Explain mo muna yung gift mo.
So yung gift ko po, parang feeling ko kasi this Christmas is all about celebrating it with your loved ones. And hindi lang yung loved ones mo, but also your fur babies. So, yeah. So, inisip ko din po yun, this Christmas, celebrate it with your fur babies. So, ang nabunot ko po ay
Okay, sige, sino? I-reveal na natin.
Kuya Pablo.
Okay, sige. Do you want to open it, Pablo? So, buksan.
Buksan na yan, Kuya Pablo.
Ang thoughtful naman. Ang cute! Oh my gosh, AJ, sobrang cute!
It's so cute.
Tamang-tama, meron akong choker.
Ang cute naman. So thoughtful! Okay, ikaw naman, Pablo. Sige, explain mo yung gift mo.
Ito naman pong gift ko, every time na ginagamit ko to, parang meron akong peace of mind. Tapos parang akong napupunta sa ibang mundo. So, sana kapag ginamit to ng pagbibigyan ko,
Ano kaya
ganun din
yan?
yung ma-feel niya.
Mapupunta sa ibang mundo,
Sasabihin ko
Pablo?
po ba kung ano to?
Sige, pero gusto mo ibigay muna?
Ano po?
Oh, sige, explain. Sige, explain.
Ito po yung parang libro na electronic. So, ayun po siya. Ang nabunot ko po, si AJ.
Ay, nagkapalitan na po sila, mga kaibigan. Okay, AJ. Gusto ko yung nagkapalitan. Literal na exchange gift.
Exchange gift talaga. Ano yun?
Yun ang tunay na exchange gift.
nagregaluhan lahat. Okay, next. What is your gift naman?
Hello po. Yung gift ko po, para may kasama ka ngayong Pasko and sa New Year. Kasi lahat nandito sa stage ngayon ay busy bees. And kung mag-travel po kayo ngayong Pasko or spend time with pamilya, then this is for you. Sir, I bunot. Bunot.
Who did you bunot, sis?
Justin!
Justin! Okay, Jess, ibigay mo na ang gift ni Justin. Para sa mga busy bees. Sige nga, alamin nga natin kung ano ito.
I have kasama
Aso
na.
yun, aso.
Una na tayo, unan.
Kasama ka na.
Wow, Jazz! Let's bukas na.
Oh,
Your gift is
open.
super big.
Oh!
Your gift is super big.
Travel bag?
Travel bag!
Wow! Travel bag.
Ang ganda.
Oh, magagamit ko.
Amazing.
Thank you, Jazz!
Welcome. Thank you,
Grabe ba?
Jazz. Okay, next, Stel. Go ahead. Dalawa. Generous.
Sabi nila, di ba, pag Christmas, it's all about giving. So, yung bibigyan ko nito, napakaswerte niya kasi parang nabuhos ko ata yung pagmamahal ko sa gift na to. Kasi effort, grabe yung effort.
Mukha nga dahil dalawa siya, no?
Saka
Stel?
dalawang
Sige.
regalo yung binalot, yung time and effort, grabe.
Totoo yan.
So, yung laman po nito, this is something na talagang kinakagiliwan ko ngayon, which is mag-unbox ng mga to.
Alam ko na. Okay,
Alam niyo
sige.
na to, ano ba yung ina-unbox
Gets na
ko, di ba?
natin
Mahilig
yan.
ako mag-unbox. And I think yung nabunot ko, this is something na gusto niya ring matry, mag-unbox ng ganito. So, sana kahit hindi siya excited or hindi siya into this gift, sana ma-appreciate niya.
Sure.
So, ang nabunot ko po ay si Ken.
Bagay na bagay.
I think parang deserve natin makita kung ano yung laman, di ba? Sige, go. Sana nga naman matuwa ka sa pag-unbox nito. Okay. May abubot na siya. Anik-anik para kay Ken.
Yeah.
Sakto.
Andito ba yung ano? Anong pangalan? Kubo?
Wala.
Ah, wala?
Okay na yan, ikaw naman na yung kubo mismo eh.
Namimili.
Ayan, meron pa isa, meron pa
May
isa.
isa pa. Hindi ko ma-imagine si Ken. Pero si Ken,
Mga maliliit na ano?
Oh, marami.
Mga maliliit na...
Iba-iba.
Mga maliliit naman.
Oh, mga maliliit. That's so
Super
cute. Thank you so
cute.
much.
Welcome.
Napaka-current ng regalo. Okay, Alpay, it's your turn. Ikaw naman.
Hindi ko alam kung ano kinakabahan.
Ang laki.
Grabe.
Ito po, may letter dito sa loob kasi gusto ko po yung mapagbibigyan ko nito is magkakaroon po siya ng very sweet, warm, and Christmas na makakapag-ipon siya ng maraming memories.
Ooh.
So, yung nabunot ko po is si Kuya Josh po.
Josh!
May Noche Buena package.
Okay, Kuya Josh, buksan na natin yan. Pwede, Alpay, tumulong talaga
Ang
siya
hirap
sa
buksan.
pag-open.
Ayaw magpabukas.
Kuya.
Josh.
Kuya.
Ako daw pag-chant ng Kuya Josh, sige.
Bastos kayo ah.
Kuya Josh.
Ito na.
Oh.
Ano siya?
Pangkabo.
Kakulay. Kakulay mo.
May message. May your Christmas be sweet, warm, and full of maliligayang memories. Whoever gets this gift.
Wow.
Wow, hilig ko to! Chocolates!
Ayun yung inaano mo.
And ito, oh,
Favorite mo yun, di ba?
Gusto niya yan.
camera. Film camera. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And
Disposable camera.
dami!
Ay, wow!
Sobrang
From
thoughtful naman ito.
Travel.
Actually, kakulay mo siya ngayon.
Thank you. Thank you so
Cute,
much.
Grabe. Ang ganda pinag-isipan talaga lahat ng gifts so far. Very, very thoughtful. Justin, it's your turn.
Yes, ito naman pong regalo ko, regalo ko po. Hindi.
Sana.
Naisip ko to kasi, syempre, minsan, yung mga masasayang memories, maganda siyang balik-balikan. And this item will help us keep those good and happy memories. At ang nabunot ko po ay si Althea!
Kabila.
Gamitin na yan, gamitin na.
Sige nga, Althea, i-unbox mo na yan.
Buksan mo na.
Tudun.
Excited si sis. Ano kaya ito? Ay, tuwang-tuwa siya. Happy girl.
Alam mo na.
Uy, grabe! Grabe! Pasabog! Ano sabi mo, Althea?
Thank you.
Sana magustuhan mo and magamit.
Nagamit talaga to.
Solid gift, Justin. And finally, Josh, kanina naman yan at ano yan?
Ito pong gift na to, syempre. Guys, mas bata pa ako sa inyo, tandaan nyo. Okay? Hindi, joke lang. Pero, ito pong gift na to, syempre po kami pong mga music artist, madalas po pagod, masakit po ang katawan, masakit ang mga kamay, paa. Lalo na, syempre, pag araw-araw po yung schedule. So, pwede po nang dalhin to kahit saan at makapag-relax pa din. At ang nabunot ko po ay walang iba, kundi si Jazz.
Wala, nahirapan ako hulaan kung sino.
Sige, Jazz. Buksan mo na yan para malaman na natin ang ating final exchange gift of the night from Josh to Jazz.
Wow!
Wow!
Massage chair! Grabe, massage chair.
Massage chair.
Masarap yan. Kailangan mo yung share to follow.
Transform na with Wi-Fi.
Grabe. Andun yung massage chair sa likod. Okay, hey, palakpakan naman natin ang SB19 at ang G22. Grabe, ang galing nyo magregaluhan. Very, very thoughtful. Parang ang sarap nyong maging kaibigan. And now, I would like to call on our Acer executives to join us on stage. Siyempre, special treat natin to for our Acer fam. Mamaya-maya mag-exchange gift na rin tayo with our Acer fam in the audience. But once again, let's call on our Acer executives. Mr. Stanley Cao, Acer Pure HQ President. Ms. Sue Ong Lim, Acer Philippines Managing Director. Mr. Wilhelm Uy, Senior Manager, Acer Philippines Consumer and Gaming Sales. Mr. Toti Gob, Acer Philippines Senior Manager, Consumer and Gaming Products. Miss Grace Monjes, Acer Philippines Senior Manager, Supply Chain. And finally, Miss Princess Lau Santos, Acer Philippines Senior Marketing Manager. Okay, dito muna ako sa may tabi. Ayan. Without a photo op of all our brand ambassadors and our Acer executives.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much to our Acer executives. Maraming salamat po. dami nating pasabog tonight at napakarami niyo pong pinasaya. Sobrang daming uuwing nakangiti dahil sa Acer tonight. Thank you once again. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating Acer executives. Kung wala sila, wala rin tayo ngayong gabing ito. Thank you so much to our Acer family. And ito na, I think we are now ready for our grand raffle where we will be giving away 10 Acer jackets, 10 SME gifts worth 3,000 pesos, and one winner of not one, but 3 Acer products. Mamimigay po tayo ng Acer Swift Go, Acer Iconia tablet, and an Acer Pure Beauty Ionic dryer. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Let's start with our lucky winners of the 10 Acer jackets. We will be flashing your names sa ating screen. Randomizer, go! Ayan ang ating 10 winners! Congratulations sa inyong lahat! You may claim your prizes sa ating prize entity dito sa may side po, sa may likod. Congratulations to our 10 winners. So we have Cheryl London, Aubrey Langit, Stephanie Cal Angeles, Anne Lorraine Olarte, Ashley Barajas, Diane Camille Cabrigas, Alona Lugaygay, Annalyn Sardo, Carmela Victoria Pili, and Angela May Galoso. Congratulations to all of you. Now, ito naman, next up, we have the 10 winners of the SM e-gifts worth 3,000 pesos. Once again, please turn your attention to the screen. Randomizer in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to our 10 winners. We have Mariana April Guirela, Norilyn Nuada, Alexis Benino, Edison Yee, Christine Manatad, Jasmine Antero, Sarah May de la Cruz, George Mercigan, Karen Garces, and Gledge Rico Hermoso. Once again, you can claim your prize dito po sa may likod, sa may side. Please don't forget to show your valid ID. Ito na, guys! The last gift up for grabs for tonight. Someone will take home an Acer Swift Go, an Acer Pro Beauty Ionic Hair Dryer, and an Acer Iconia tablet. Make some noise kung nandito kayo. Gusto niyo bang mapanalunan itong 3 Acer products na to? I'm sure everyone would love to have these this year. Ito na. Excited kayong lahat, I'm sure. So sabay-sabay tayo ulit. This time malakas. Can you count with me? Randomizer in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Grabe! Patricia May Colindres! Andito ka ba? Patricia, are you here? Patricia! Girl! Congratulations! Grabe yung inuwi mo tonight from Ninang Acer. Again, it's an Acer Swift Go, it's an Acer Iconia tablet, and an Acer Pure Beauty Ionic hair dryer. Congratulations to all of our winners. And once again, to claim your prize, please proceed to the prize claim booth and show your valid ID. Ito na! Guys! First of all, lahat tayo magpasalamat sa Acer family natin. Thank you to our Acer executives for such a wonderful night. Parang lahat tayo hindi natin makakalimutan lahat ng nangyari dito tonight. So thank you so much for making tonight possible, Acer executives. And ladies and gentlemen, aka the Acer family, hindi pa po nagtatapos ang Christmas party. It's been an amazing honor to host for all of you tonight. Once again, my name is Tin Gamboa, and to wrap up this maligayang Pasko, please welcome the live debut of Acer's Ating Pasko. Let's give it up once again for our Acer brand ambassadors, G22 and SB19!
Mga araw kay bilis naman, parang kailan lang tao'y nagsimula.
Bawat oras binibilang
Sapit ng Kapaskuhan.
Noon hanggang ngayon, lumipas man ang panahon, basta't ika'y nariyan.
Pasko ay napupuno ng pag-ibig mo, wagas at walang hangganan.
Ikaw ang aking maligayang Pasko, pagmamahal mo'y liwanag ng aking mundo.
Sa piling mo ako'y payat at buo, hindi magbabago. Ikaw ang aking maligayang Pasko. Maligayang Pasko.
Umaaraw, umabagkan man, ikaw ang aking sandigan, ang aking lakas.
Sa iyong yakap, ako'y mahihimlay. Kinabukasan ay panatag, basta't hawak ang iyong kamay.
Sa bawat pagkakataon, sa'yo'y nais mapasalamat, basta't ika'y nariyan.
Wala nang kailangan pa, basta't ikaw ang kasama sa Pasko at sa tuwina. Ikaw ang aking maligayang Pasko, pagmamahal mo'y liwanag ng aking mundo.
Sa piling mo ako'y payapat buo,
Di magbabago, ikaw ang aking maligayang Pasko. Roon ang ngayon, lumipas man ang panahon, basta't ika'y nariyan.
ang Pasko ay napupuno
Ng pag-ibig mo, wagas at walang hangganan. Ikaw ang aking maligayang Pasko, pagmamahal mo'y liwanag ng aking mundo. Sa piling mo ako'y payat at buo, hindi magbabago. Ikaw ang aking maligayang Pasko. Ikaw ang aking maligayang Pasko. Natatanging saya sa puso ko'y dulot mo. Kapayapaan higit pa sa ginto, biyayang handog mo. Ikaw ang aking maligayang Pasko. Merry
maligayang Pasko.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Acer Fans!
Thank you very much, G22 and SB19! That wraps up this year's Acer Ating Pasko Christmas Party. Thank you very much, kayo, Acer Fam, ang aming maligayang Pasko!
Ikaw